I'm really excited to be at the Big Data event. I think it's really important for the NHS in Wales to get together, to talk about big data, to talk about the possibilities and to plan our exciting future.
Big data and how we use it is really important for the health and care system. It has the potential to help us deliver better care, deliver more efficient services, and really drive forward new treatments in the future.
So this is really important in order to understand what the priorities are for Wales and how we can make those connections. I think it's just learning more, understanding what's going on across the ecosystem and looking at the partnerships that are happening across Wales.
It's all about how we can make sensible use of data to improve both individual management of patients, but also, perhaps more importantly, the way that the services are managed and organised, and even public health and health strategy. So it's a really exciting time, and I think we need to exploit this area as soon as we can.